Hello guys, my name is ELVINA FLORENCIA. I am the member of the fifth group, and today I would like to present you the management accounting topic, especially talking about activity-based management or ABM. But before we discuss more about what is ABM, it will be better for us to know the definition of ABM first. Okay, so ABM actually is a method that manages an activity that can be used by the company in order to increase the value of goods and services, to increase the competitiveness and also the profitability of the company. And then you also need to know what is the benefit of ABM. ABM can be used by the company to create a value of goods and services, to control the cost, and then to improving the quality of operational system. And then the next slide is going to talk about the categorization of ABM. Application of ABM consists of two categories. The first one is operational ABM, the second one is strategic ABM. Operational ABM is more focusing on the operational, like how an ABM can help the company to do something in the correct way, but in the same time also in the most efficient way. Meanwhile, strategic ABM is more focusing on how to control the cost and to making a decision. Making decision can be about the sales price decision, can be about relationship between the customer, between the supplier, and then the sales mix decision, and etc. The next one is process value analysis. Process value analysis actually is process which ABM is more focusing on how to maximize the company performance generally instead of only focusing on how to control the cost and to maximize the individual performance. Process value analysis consists of two dimensions. The first one is cost dimension, second one is process dimension. Cost dimension is giving you an information about the resources that can cost the cost. And then the cost later will be distributed into the activity become cost of activity. Cost of activity later will be distributed become cost of the product. If we are talking about process dimension, means that we are talking about the activity, like what activity that the company do, what is the goals of the activity, and then how good the activity done by the company. And then the next one is the relation of ABC and ABM. Actually, ABM is just an ABC as the source of information. ABC is also been a part of ABM in doing something down below. You can see in the slide, the first to design the product and services to fulfill the customer needed, and then to give the sign whether the company should stop or continue the quality improvement, to decide the sales mix and then the investing decision, to choose the supplier, and then to negotiate the product, feature, quality, and then the services, and then to helping the distribution process and the services in more effective and efficient way, and then to increase the value of goods and services. The next one is analysis and activity. In order to make an activity run in their most effective and efficient way, the company needs to do some analysis. The first one is driver analysis. Driver analysis is focusing on finding the factor that can cause the cost. Analysis in activity is focusing on identifying and creating the value of the product. And then the third one is analysis on the value added activity. Value added activity is an activity that gives a value added to the product or services. And then the last one is analysis on the non-value added activity. Non-value added activity is an activity that consuming time, consuming resources, but still only give you a little or non-value added at all. Okay, and the next one is the strategy pengurangan biaya. The company always need to stay in position in the market and then to stay compete with another company in the same industry. And then how to achieve that goals, the company needs to do continuous improvement. How to do the continuous improvement, the company needs to control the cost. How to control the cost, the company needs to plan to make the cost as low as possible, but in the same time also give the best quality to the customer. One of the methods that can be used by the company is Kaizen costing. Kaizen costing is actually come from Japanese language mean continuous improvement. And then we are going to talk how to measure the activity performance. Activity performance can be judged from financial point of view and non-financial point of view. This measurement is designed to decide whether the activity that has been done by company is give the best result or not. Okay. The first one, we are going to talk the financial measurement first. There are 5 elements. The first one is value added and non-value added report. That is the report that show you the activity that give you the value added or non-value added. From this report, the company can decide to stop the activity that didn't give you value added at all. And then at last, the activity will run in most efficient and effective way. And then the second one is activity flexible budgeting. This budgeting is actually the financial plan that has more than one driver. Okay, so to make it simpler, this budget will categorize the activity that has same driver in one activity. And then the third one is trend report. Okay, trend report is show you the cost of every activity periodically. Life cycle cost budgeting is actually talking about the budget that relate the interval of time when the product is made until the product is stopped. And then the last one is benchmarking. Benchmarking is analysis method that comparing the unit of organization that have the same activity. And then the last one is non-financial measurement. Non-financial measurement have 3 elements: efficiency, performance, quality performance, and time performance. Efficiency performance is judged by comparing the output than the input. And then quality performance is used to get an information to achieve the total quality, which is the zero defect. Zero defect, that means the quality of the product is 100%, no mistake at all. And then the last one is time performance. Time performance can be judged by 2 characteristics: reliability and responsiveness. Reliability means that the punctuality of the product distributed to the customer. Responsiveness means that the ability of the company to respond to the customer. Well, that's all for the presentation. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. I will answer that one. Okay, so thank you for the attention.